Hello, the topic today is ordering parts online with Autodeals and PartsTech. And we're going to go into this Fred Flintstone order here, where we had already used the PartsTech system in Autodeals to do a quote, and we put in battery and selected new quote, and we were able to get a battery online quoted, and we already sent the estimate. We got a response back from the customer and said that he would like to do it. So we need to order this battery. So we're in the jobs view of the service order, and I would like to order this battery. And I could, if I had more parts quoted, I could order more than one at a time. So I have two choices. I could just choose, for now, we're going to choose order job. And if I had multiple jobs, I would choose order jobs. But in this case, we just have one. So I'm just going to select that. And if I want to put in a different PO number, it's just using my service order number right now. It's got the part in there. Please send to Bay 2, whatever we wanted to put there, and I'm going to click Order Parts. And that's it. The part's been ordered for this job. And now in our job, it's referenced as ordered, and we have a little O out here instead of a Q. And now we're waiting for the battery to be able to put it in. Thank you so much.